Hi guys, my name's Danielle and I'm going to be showing you how to clone a GitHub repository. So just a little disclaimer, this is something you only have to do if you plan on doing your work on GitHub desktop. So if you plan on doing everything on the GitHub website, then you don't have to worry about this and you could just close out of this video. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, you have to make sure that you have GitHub desktop downloaded, obviously. So you could just go to this website and click download and follow the instructions from there. Now, once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to visit the Bit Project GitHub page and look for your repository. So you could do that by typing it in to the search bar or just simply scrolling through. So I'm going to do an example for you on my own computer. Okay, so say I want to clone the onboarding page. You click on it, and then you hit this green clone button at the top right of the page. And make sure that it says clone with HTTPS. If it says clone with SSH, just click the button on the top right to switch it over. And then just grab that link by clicking the clipboard button. It'll copy it for you, and then go back to GitHub Desktop. If this is your first time using GitHub Desktop, then your screen will look something like this. Sorry, not that. This. And you're going to want to click the second button that says clone a repository from the internet. I have already cloned a repository, so my screen looks a little different. So if you've already cloned a repository, or even if you hadn't, you could still do this the way I'm doing. But I'm just going to click File and then hit Clone Repository. And usually it pops up under the github.com tab. Just want to make sure that you're in the URL tab because that's the way that we're cloning this repository. So now you can just paste the repository URL and you'll see that your computer will automatically come up with a path for you. So I have a Bit project folder in my documents and I have other repositories saved to there, so it automatically came up with an onboarding folder because that's the name of the repository. But if you don't like where it's going, you could just choose a different folder. You just have to make sure that your folder is empty or else it won't work. So then you hit clone. And that's it. You've cloned your repository. So if you want to work on any files through this repository, you could just click open in Typora or whatever editor that you have linked. I use Typora for the most part because I've been doing a lot of files in Markdown. But if you're coding in Python or something, you can link it up to your text editor of your choice. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.